Let's continue master AWS Glue. In that, let's continue AWS Glue data catalog. AWS Glue data catalog main purpose is to hold metadata information. AWS Glue data catalog main purpose is to hold the metadata information. Let's say I am working for two banking projects. So for bank one, ICICI underscore DB, I will create. Then other database I will create HDFC only, right? HDFC underscore DB. For every project, we will create a separate database. That project related tables we will store inside that database. First point. So we will create a database for every project separately. Next one, we have a crawler. Crawler responsibility is connecting sources. First source S3, next source RDS, next source Redshift, next source DynamoDB, next any source which can be connectable through JDBC. Let's say I have on-premise, on-prem, or I have databases in Azure Cloud, or I have databases in GCP Cloud. Let's say GCP BigQuery. In Azure, let's say here we have SQL Server, and on-premise I have Oracle cluster. So which is any source which can be connect using JDBC driver. Then you have to upload into S3. JDBC, then using this you can connect any source. Then you can crawl that data and persist that data into table. So here important point we have to remember is it uses either custom classifier or built-in classifier. For every format, like file format, we have built-in classifiers. CSV, we have CSV classifier. JSON, we have JSON classifier. And XML classifier, Parquet classifier. In your file, delimiters are different. Based on this existed classifier, you can create your own classifier. Then you can provide properties of your input file. Then you can give this classifier details to Clara. Then whenever it is reading your file, it uses your classifier, reads the data. Because it is going to read header and going to identify column names, right? If CSV we used has as a delimiter, then by default classifier knows about comma as a column separator. So if any different delimiter presented in your input file, then you can create custom classifier using built-in classifier. Then you can pass this custom classifier to crawler. Based on your input details, it will read input file, identifies metadata, and writes that metadata information into Glue data catalog.